everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And I'd like to welcome you here. So I just did an unboxing of this month's Paper Pumpkin, which, there we are, which is the Blissful Blooms August 2018 Paper Pumpkin Kit. This kit is beautiful. You have enough supplies in here to make 10 cards, and there's 10 envelopes. And then you're left with the stamp set and the ink pad to use for so much more. And I thought I would just kind of go along with the directions, and even though I'm a visual person, and create the 2 cards suggested. I'm hoping to get some more time, and I'll share over on my Facebook page at Stampin' to create some alternative projects with this kit. So we start off with 2 different styles of card fronts, and these are just beautiful just by themselves. I mean, just add a little sentiment and you're good to go. And look at that beautiful butterfly. Love this. So this is the last hurrah before summer quickly comes to a close. So here is this month's, let's put it in the light a little bit, this month's stamp set. Very cute. So let's get started. Okay, so let's see. We are going to stamp the sentiments. So it looks like You Make Me So Happy is one of them. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and bring in my Stamparatus. Now, I have to say, ever since I got this Stamparatus, I hardly ever use my my acrylic blocks. And you may be wondering, well, why not? Well, why would I when this surface, look at all the stamps you can put on here and stamp with. I mean, yeah, why not? Who needs the acrylic blocks when you've got the Stamparatus? And this helps so that if you were to stamp it, and maybe, sorry if my head gets in the way here, just want to make sure it's straight. If you want, let me put that up to the top. If you wanted to stamp it again and again and again on all of these little tags, you'd have it all set up to go and stamp how many times you wanted. And alright, so we're just going to put that there. I'm going to turn this over. Oh, that wasn't a good idea. Alright, let's do this again. We do need the magnet. So I forgot the magnet. Alright, let's try this again. Because these are photopolymer stamps and they're very sticky, which helps them stick, of course, to your blocks. Let's just hope, there we go. Alright, so Blackberry Bliss is the little ink spot that comes with it, but I'm just going to use my standard ink pad because I have it. And I'm going to ink that up. And press that down. And oh, You Make Me So Happy. Now, if you wanted that to be a little bit darker, ink that up again. Press that down. There you go. Beautiful. Alright, so then you're wondering, okay, well now that's on there. How are you going to clean that? Got to take that off and take it to your Stampin' Scrub. Nope. We have our, oh, and I just lost the name of it off the top of my head. Our scrubbing pad, or Stampin' Scrub. I believe that's what it's called. And take that right to your stamp. We're going to peel that off. So there's our one saying. And let's see, what is the other one? Is Thinking of You. I'm always thinking of so many people. How about you? Comment down below. Let me know what you think of this Stamparatus. I'd love to hear what you think. It's the best thing for, as far as I'm concerned, that Stampin' Up! Has come out with for a long time. I mean, we had the Stamp-A-Ma-Jig, and I still love that. And if I have wooden stamps, I use that for my wood mount stamps. But for this, the Stamparatus is fantastic. Now I got some ink there, if you're worried about that. Just take your little scrubbing mat, wipe that away, and Thinking of You. Oh, I think I want it a little bit darker. Just going to ink it again. Close it. And there you go. I don't know what is with my dog, but she just hears me talking, and I don't know if she thinks that someone is up here with me. Well, there actually is. There's all of you here, right? Okay. You just run this underwater when you first get this chamois. It's really hard and stiff. Just run it underwater and it loosens up. And I like to use one of my stamp cases to keep it inside, but make sure you don't seal it all the way. This is kind of one that doesn't really close and lock because you want some air to get at that. You don't want it to get like moldy on you. Although I haven't had that happen, but you know, never say never. Okay, let's move that out of the way. Okay, we stamped our sentiments. That took longer than I thought. All right, adhere vellum leaves behind the label with the glue dots, maximum 2 clear vellum. Okay, so we're going to need, let me move this out of the way. I have a couple that kind of came out when I did my unboxing. So check out my unboxing too. I don't know what that is. My neighbor's out there doing yard work. She's out there doing yard work and I'm in here stamping. My yard work can wait, right? Alright, so what do we need? We need 2 clear and 4 green. Alright. Maybe she'll come over and do my yard work. She'll be like, oh, that poor Sue. She must not be feeling well. I better go over and do her yard work. I don't think so. But hey, it's wishful thinking, right? Never give up hope. Never give up hope. Alright. Let's pull a couple of these off. Alright, I think that'd be enough. Alright. So we're going to put the leaves behind here. And you know, I think I'm just going to go over here and grab my snail. I mean, if you didn't have anything, you can use those glue dots that come with it. Sometimes for me, they're a little bit of a pain in the dookus. So, peeling them off. But, you know, that's my issues. Alright, so I need a little bit more. Put these here. And there's no right or wrong way to do this. You can create this to however you want it to be. Alright, so if I put those, I just did that many. Loop 12 inches of twine and adhere to back with dimensionals. Alright. Now here's another tip. If you didn't know this, where is it at? Down. Oh, am I going to be a liar this time? They always had a little ruler down at the bottom. I don't see it. Alright. They used to have like a little ruler down here. Huh. I'm going to have to call them. Alright, I'm just going to use my mat here. And do I have scissors here? Boy, I'm a little discombobulated here. I have 2 desks that I'm working on right now. And I tend to have, you know, one desk I create, one desk I do videos. So the desk I'm at right now is kind of my creating desk, and all my video desk, I'm sorry, and all my other things are over on my creating desk. Yeah. My issues again. Alright. Loop the twine. And this is always the difficult part, isn't it? Do you find that? Or is it me? Just don't know how to do this kind of thing, but I guess there's no right or wrong. Just do the loopy loops. How much time do I have? Am I even recording? Oh gosh. Alright, where are my dimensionals? Here we are. Yes, I am here. I am recording. I mean, I just got done mentioning over on my other page that, where was it, my, what am I trying to say here? That I don't, oh, I was just making, I know where I'm going with that. I was just making a post on Facebook about doing my videos, and people are like, oh, you're so brave. Well, you know what? I don't edit. I don't do all that fancy schmancy stuff. I'm just here. I want to share what I love with all of you guys. And I just don't take the extra time to do all that kind of stuff because we're here to create. Look at that. Oh, I love that. All right, now where's my other saying? Yep, my other leaves and this, and here's my saying. All right, so let's go ahead and do my other leaves behind here. You know, I think if I do it that way, and you could use as many or as little leaves as you want. That's the great thing about these kits, is you just make it your own. All right, there we go. And here we go with this loopy-de-loopy thing again. I wonder how that works. If I, no, that's not going to work. All right, let's do this. Let's have some adhesive on there. Loop back and forth. That's probably what my dog was barking about before. My neighbor out there doing her yard work. I'm just going to say I'm not going to do my yard work today because it had rained and I have a very small backyard and I have an electric lawnmower. That'll tell you how small my backyard is. And if the grass is wet, well, I look at that electricity and electric lawnmower do not go well together. So that's my story and I'm sticking to it. All right, let's put this down here and there. There we are. Look at those two beautiful cards. And we have our fancy envelopes. So you make me so happy and I'm thinking of you. All right. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this and listening to my stories. But I love bringing this to you. I love Stampin' Up! And I love sharing what I love with all of you, whom I also love. So thanks so much for joining me. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the little bell to receive notifications when I upload new videos. And I look forward to seeing you back here again real soon. Bye for now.